This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by Barbara White. Move-in ready home in Nassau Crossing in Yulee. The open floor plan has a dining area and living room combination. Presently it is used as one large living room. The third bedroom is currently used as an office. This home has many upgrades including smart home security system, stainless steel fridge with filtered water and ice maker. Master bedroom has a customized painted accent wall. There are 2 flat screen TVs mounted on the walls and the wires are hidden in the wall and are also included. Extended back patio with privacy screen with added marble tile flooring. Walking trail behind the house leads you to a brand new neighborhood park. Beyond the trail is a lake, so there are no homes behind you. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara White at 904-261-9311.